Hey guys, and this is going to be the adoption video of my little Ken's black and white chicky dog. So yeah, he's really cute, and his W is right here. Okay, so yeah. Camera. Okay, I already named him. He's going to be CJ, and he's going to be a boy. Okay, I'm sorry, but you can't see the secret codes. I'm just going to turn the camera. Okay, now you can look at the pretty TV. Okay, I got it. Secret code is typed in. Now, what happened? Aw. I'm sorry, peoples. I kind of messed up. Oh. Crap, I messed up. I thought it was my black and white chicky dog, and it was my cat. Oh well. Okay, well, anyway, the biography says, "Hi, I'm CJ. Thanks for taking care of me. My friends say that I'm playful, adventurous, and a good musician. I love collecting stamps. One of my best friends is a green spotted turtles. I really like the taste of oranges, and I'd really like a Wonder Scooter." Aw, man. Oh. Well, I guess I'll go on with the video anyway, even though I messed up. I'm really mad. Huh. Oh well. So, yeah. I didn't even want the cat's name to be CJ. That's my little Ken's dog's name. Huh. Oh well, I guess. I can't really go back now. I should have checked the tag. Sorry about that. My camera fell. Ooh, I got a badge. Ooh, at least one good thing came out of this. Still, I can't believe it. Oh, poop. Oh well, he's still cute. Here's the kitty. I need to buy him a room. Well, actually, I think he's gonna share a room, so yeah. Well, anyway, here's his awesome box. It's just black and white. Oh. Crap. Hold on. The thing I used to balance my camera that just fell. But it's not breakable, so whatever. I'm not having a good day, people. Okay, so I got a yarn boss sofa, giant gift box, and a bonus gift box. Okay, bonus box, gift box. I got 1,000 Ken's Cash coins. Yippee. Okay, so yeah, it's my cat. I'm just gonna dress him real quick. Put this coat on him. This hat. And he's a boy, and dang it. That really stinks. Oh, there he is. He looks cute. Doesn't he? You better say yes. I'm kidding. So, yeah. This is the cat, the black and white cat. And if you want to see his room real quick, he's going to have to share it with my signature panda. Sorry, it'll take a second. Okay, I got it. I found it. But don't worry, I'll still adopt my little Kens. What is that? So yes, my signature pet's room. And he's sharing it. This is a signature room. So there's my signature panda and my Kelco cat signature. So yeah, he's just gonna get a room in here. I think I'm gonna buy him a cheap bed right now because I'm kind of bored. So I don't really want to look for a room thing. Here's his bed. I am really bummed out. Wrong animal. I'll put in the item real quick, because I don't want this to be like a super long video. Ugh. Sorry about the interruption, people. Okay, and here is his special item. So yes, this is my cat, CJ. Grr. But I guess something's happened for a reason. I'm gonna go to bed, and here's his item. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please comment, rate, subscribe, and so yeah.